Thanks for using CardBoard. Let's take a look at using Selective Sync with JIRA. Once you've built your board, selected the JIRA integration, entered your credentials, selected your project, and chose Selective Sync, you can now choose which cards sync with JIRA. Select the group of cards you'd like to sync. Right-click and choose Sync As. With Selective Sync, you have control of what cards you sync with JIRA, as stories or epics. Build your boards horizontal, vertical, or however your team desires. When you change a card that is synced, you will need to resync it. Cards with the sync icon will denote this. Just right-click and select Sync to resync your changes. That's it. Start building better products with CardBoard.